Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna be playing Chicken Farm in today's video, you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be playing in today's video, you guys. Wait, so in the last video I got the fat chicken. So now my goal is to get oh no. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I wanna see. Oh, dang, I forgot that happens. 500. And look at it. I want to see all the eggs fall. Look at all the eggs. All the eggs. And now they're getting merged. Oh my god. So many basic eggs. I need this thing to go faster. I don't think 35, no, not 40,000. Maybe 50. Yeah. I want to do 100,000 per second. There we go. Now it's going fast. So I don't need to wait. Okay. Okay, look. Open. Already 7 mil. I knew upgrading this thing was good. Okay. Oh, I can upgrade tier now. Oh. Good card. Okay. Look at all the ducks. Where's all the ducks? What I get? Oh, I think I got another goose. Hey, we got another fat, guys. Let's go. We have 2 fats now. There's all the ducks. Keep collecting. Deposit eggs. Okay, now I'm like doing really good. Okay. Buy a bunch of dogs. And then, boom, there's more. I got 2 mushrooms. Collect cash. Okay. Auto merge, auto merge, auto merge. Hey, we got a villager. the crimson block. Oh, the red block. Now I can actually get it fast. Instead I need to wait so long. Maybe if I get another fat, I can get a new thing. Yeah. What would the next thing? Well, it says it right there. Next is gonna be a fried chicken. What is that gonna be, like a turkey? No. What is it? It's gonna be like just a fried piece of chicken. Well, let's see. Oh, come on. Really? That's scammed. Just need 2 more juices, and then I will be able to get the new thing. And making money this fast is really helpful. Hey, we got a goose. Just need 1 more bee. Now I can go. Well, I just buy 5. Oh, yeah, forgot about the dummies. Oh, another crimson block. Wait, no matter what I get, I'm gonna reach tier 10. I need to afford it. Can't afford it though. Okay, now I can buy it. No matter what, I'm getting the fried. Maybe it was the villager. Really expect. Hey, got 2 villagers. We got the fried. Hey, it is a turkey. Look, has like 2 turkey legs. All right. What does the turkey give? 250,000. Okay, that's cool. My stomach is killing me, honestly, guys. Main reason why I'm not so energetic. Okay. My goal is to try and get, index. I want to try and get this, I don't know which chicken. Wait, actually, I'm kind of close to the end. Oh, not. Yeah, I'm not close to the end at all, actually. I kind of want to try reaching this skeleton one. It's only a couple more tiers, but it'll take some time. Luckily, I'm making money fast. No, go even faster. Okay, that's a lot of ducks, you know? Look at all the eggs fall. Well, look at all the eggs, guys. Hey, we got another fat. Let's go. That was actually quick. I was not expecting it to get that fast. I was not expecting it to get it that fast. 1,000 more eggs. Update in 30 seconds. Oh, oh God. I don't even know why I don't feel good. Just kind of, I don't know. I think I just took a nap and then just like I didn't feel good. Okay. You know, the duck eggs look like the dinosaur eggs. Like, honestly, look. They're like dinosaur eggs. No, they look Yoshi, like the Yoshi egg from the Mario movie. Yeah, a Mario Galaxy movie that came out a couple months ago, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I'm getting so close to getting another villager, guys. Oh, a red block. 27 million now? Jesus. How much does a diamond fried egg give? The gold give like 700,000. So the diamond should give like 1,000,000. Oh, block. Oh, I can't pick it up because I have this one. Hold up. Block. Villager. Okay. Come on, I want something better. I want to get another fried. A dummy. Okay. Actually, there you go. Now you got another villager. Okay. I want to see how much a diamond turkey is worth. I keep only getting regulars and golds. Okay. Okay. Just 4 villagers away from getting a new thing. We're gonna. Well, I'm getting close to getting a new fried, and then once I get another more villagers, then I'll be able to get the new tier chicken with the tier 11. Also, will I start getting better lucky blocks? I've only been getting like a normal 3. Hey, we got another fat. 1 more, and then we have 2 frieds. And then another 3 more fats, and then we'll have a new tier. Why is this bacon here? Is he trying to collect my eggs? I actually don't know. I think he's just shocked by the stuff I have. I mean, I don't think it's too crazy. If anything, it's just kind of normal for a content creator to have this stuff. I'm just saying, content creators usually, like always, I don't know, just have better luck and stuff. But now we're doing 200,000 per second. Okay, the eggs just keep coming. It's like too much for me, guys. Literally too much. Okay. Bye. Okay. Two more villagers and then we get another fried. Because those villagers will merge into a fat and then the fat will merge into the fried. Oh, wait, I can actually get a fat right now. I can't buy this, hold up. We gotta wait. We gotta wait, guys. Another lucky block? I think only the tier 8s or higher can produce the red lucky blocks. Like, I don't know. You know, I don't know how to say it. Alright, we're doing it. Okay. That's fine. If I get another villager here, then... Oh. Okay. I want to see what this new chicken is. You know, that will be my goal, trying to find that new chicken. Okay. I'm actually getting close now. Okay, we got 2 fries, guys. I don't think really making eggs is my problem. Oh, the diamond gives 1.18 million. Yeah, that's insane. That is actually insane, guys. If I stand here, do I just collect all the eggs? Yeah, they usually come here and then they go off to some side. What is that? It shows the next tiers. Snowman, 700 million. There's no way I'll be able to get. Will I ever be able to get this again, though? More importantly, how am I supposed to get 700 million? Here, add more eggs. I don't even have 700 million eggs in my thing. I don't even know how I'm supposed to get this. Is it even possible? I don't know if it's possible to even get this thing. But there's a chance I never get it again, though. And that makes me want to keep it. I just don't know how I'm supposed to get that much money. I can't buy any more, like, chickens, or else the cost might reach $1 billion. Oh, I'm just gonna discard it. I might get that again someday, but that thing's just too expensive. 700 million is way too much. Okay. And boom. I just want to see what the new chicken is. We've seen the fried. Now I need to see the new one called the snowman. I have to see the snowman chicken. Please give me the villager or the goose. Villager or goose. Anything but the dummy. Yeah, I get that. Oh, but I mean I still got a villager. Okay. Also, when the mushrooms wait, what is that? Oh, it's turkey. I was upside down. When the mushroom chickens produce eggs, if they produce a diamond one, it looks like a diamond ore from Minecraft. I just realized that. I always thought that was the villager, but every chicken produces the same egg. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. Honestly, guys. I don't know how I'm supposed to even reach that new chicken. It's gonna be way too hard. See, we got another fat, but I'm just like. I just have to keep getting like a lucky egg, lucky blocks. Yeah, I need to get I need to get the ones that have the villager, which is red gummy, which I definitely can't afford, and the blue one. But the blue one, the villager is like near impossible to get. And the red, I think villager's like in the middle. Okay. Okay. So far, my progress is pretty well. All I need is 5 more villagers, and then I can get the free fats, and then I'll be able to merge those fats into a fried, and then I'll be merge the frieds into the new snowman. This is good. We're getting close to getting another fat chicken. And then just 3 more villagers and boom, I've got my goal. So guys, I'll just let's go. We got another fat. 1 more, you guys, and then I have achieved my goal. You know, if I open this egg and I get a fried or a fat, we will be able to see the snowman. We're so close, guys. 50. Oh, wait. 6 mil. Okay. Give me a fat or fried. Fat or fried. Oh, we got the 5%. Time to see the snowman. We have the snowman, guys. What is he? So what does he like produce? Hurry up. Oh, look, we got a gold snowman. That's sick. 2.7 million? That's better than the Fry's diamond version. That was only a gold. The regular's 900,000 diamond. 4.5 mil. Okay, that's insane. Okay. Alright, you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. I will see y'all in tomorrow's video, you guys. I don't feel good, bro. But I'm AJ, and I'm out, you guys. Peace.